Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this Christmas tree, but it's not your typical Christmas tree because it is a Halloween tree. And the nice thing about this is simply lift it up and you put the stake in the center. When you're done, you can fold it right back down. So let's go ahead and pull it out of the package, set it up. So very simple on how to set up an assembly. Just follow your manual. You have your metal little stakes here. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. So first you guys set up the pole like this, and then you drop this down over it. And this is what it looks like, guys. I actually think it's pretty cute. I mean, that is adorable. So if you guys are into Halloween and fall, I think you guys are going to like it.